Alright, so here at the bench, we need to go ahead and prep our new speaker since we have the old one out. The parts that we're using is the speaker ring adapter 825605 by Metra. We're also using speaker harnesses for plug and play. We're using the Metra 72-5602 speaker wiring harnesses. So they look like these. Now our speaker is designed for 5 1/4 and 6 1/2, so we can cut out the mounting spots for 5 1/4. We're not using those. Now the speaker replacement we decided to go with is the NVX V series speakers, is the VSP65. These are the coaxial version. And we're going to go ahead and get them mounted in our bracket. Now I'm actually going to mount them upside down, and the reasoning behind it is our harness plug needs to go up towards the factory plug. So we are going to find the mounting holes that kind of correspond with that. And then using the hardware supplied with the speaker, I'm going to go ahead and get it mounted. Now finally here, just so our speaker wires don't get pinched back behind the speaker, I'm going to quickly drill just a little teeny hole back here. And what this is going to do is allow us to pass those speaker wires through. Okay, and we're going to get these connected to our speaker here. Alright, so we got our harnesses all connected here. We're good to go. This will plug into the factory harness plug in the door, and this will bolt up to the same exact location. Let's go ahead and get it installed.